I decided to show you another recipe. Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. After last Halloween baking, which didn't go well, I decided to show you another recipe which I am pretty confident with because that's one of my favorites. So I decided to show you a recipe for brownies, and that's why are we here today. It's very easy, it's quick, and you will love it. Believe me, you will love it. So no more talking, and let's start with ingredients. So I have this recipe in my notes, and now I'm gonna tell you what do we need. First we need 100 grams of butter, then 100 grams of flour. I'm using instant flour because I already know that that's the best flour for baking, for me. Then we need 4 eggs, 250 grams of sugar, then 1 spoon of baking powder, 200 grams of chocolate, and 30 grams of cocoa. So I have everything. I'm gonna show you what I'm using and we can start. Okay, here we have everything. Here's cocoa, sugar, chocolate chips, butter, eggs, and flour. So the first step is to preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we need to melt the chocolate and butter. I'm usually doing it all together. You can do it separately, but I'm doing it all together because it's easier, you know? So let's start with it. So we need 100 grams of butter. I'll start with this because then we need 200 grams of chocolate, and I have exactly 200 grams, so I don't have to weight it, you know? So I'll start with butter. So it's not exact amount, but it's good enough. Now chocolate. I have to tell you something. Usually you are supposed to make it with classic brown chocolate, but I decided to try it with white one because it's gonna be delicious. I love white chocolate. So you can use regular brown chocolate, but I'm gonna use this one today. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave, and what I do recommend is to put it there just for a few seconds, mix it, then a few seconds, mix it until it's melted. So that's the best option to not burn it. So I'm gonna do that. Now we need 250 grams of sugar and eggs and mix it together. Now we add 100 grams of flour. $30 grams of cocoa. Now we just mix it, add chocolate, and we are good. Except I'm making a mess, it's good. This is ideal consistency. Now we're gonna bake it. So we are ready to bake. The baking time is supposed to be 25 to 35 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it there 30 minutes and I will see you after. So let's do this. So now we're gonna wait and then I'll be back. Okay guys, brownies is done. Overall, I left it in the oven for 34 minutes and it's good, it's done. So now it's time for a taste test. So here's the result. It doesn't look pretty, but it tastes delicious. I mean, I hope so. But it's still the same recipe I'm using all the time, so it should be good. So let's try it. Okay, let's taste it. It's very good. Even with white chocolate, which you can't see, it's very delicious. So it doesn't matter if you use brown chocolate or white chocolate, it's still delicious. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. As you could have seen, it was quick, it was easy, you don't need many ingredients. And according time, it took me overall about 40 minutes maybe, so it's very easy. It's so delicious. It's sweet, but it's not over sweet, so I think that's ideal if you want something sweet, chocolate, you know. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried my recipe and how did you like it. I would like to know. And as always, I would be really happy for a like, comment and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it, and see you next time.